Hi everyone, this is Nicole, your trusted Bulacan realtor, and for today, I will show you the most affordable and the biggest 3-bedroom single attached in the area of Santa Maria, Bulacan that's non-flooded and very close to the North Luzon Expressway via Philippine Arena exit. Let's go. First model is called Bettina model. The minimum lot area is 80 square meter, and we also have a lot size right now that is more than 100 square meter in lot. And as you enter, meron ka na kaagad welcoming garden space. Up to 2-car garage. Imagine this is only 80 square meter lot, up to 2 cars kasya sa garahe mo. Disclaimer, gate and fence not included in the turnover. Kayo na po yung magpapagate and fence upon turnover. At the back, meron ka pang space. May backyard ka pa dito. Pwede ka pang mag-garden, mag-landscape. Meron ka rin ditong kasamang ita-turnover na service area or laundry area. Let's go in front. So again, this is Bettina model with a lot area of 80 square meter up to 100 square meter plus, and the floor area you can see in the screen right now. Our developer is called Dolmar Land Incorporated. More than 50 years in the real estate industry. Napakarami na po nilang existing projects in Manila and in the North. So, sigurado ka at talagang lamang ka sa kanila dito sa Dolmar Land. Itong ating Bettina model ay mayroong living space at dining space. Pwede ka rito magpa-customize yung mga uso ngayon na partition that separates your living and your dining. Ang turnover ng tiles, ganito po, 60 by 60. At syempre, dito mo ilalagay, pwede yung television mo sa side na to. At meron tayong storage sa baba ng hagdan. Bettina model, meron ka dito ang access door sa service area, kasama sa turnover itong kitchen, at meron ka rin access door sa iyo namang garage. Ito yung ating toilet number 1. Please take note na tinaasan na po natin to. So right now, this is only 1.8 meters, pero sa actual turnover, ginawa na po siyang 2 meters in height, so no problem. And sa taas, meron pa tayong another toilet. Because in total, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath for our Bettina model. Later, I will also show you the other model, which is Beatrice, because here in Bella Vista, we only have 2 models that you can choose from. Ganito na rin yung turnover ng vinyl tile sa second floor, mataas din ang ceiling, at nasa gilid ang iyong balcony. So, Bettina model guys, yung balcony niya medyo maliit, tama ba? Don't worry because ang ginagawa ng mga homeowners dito kasi nakaabang na siya para pwede mo siyang ipa-expand. Pag pina-expand mo yan hanggang doon guys, pwede kang mag-inflatable pool or barbecue party, whatsoever. May malaki ka ng terrace or balcony. Na yun na rin yung magsisilbing bubong ng iyong carport. This is our bedroom number 1. Mataas po yung ating ceiling, di ba? Kung may big family kayo, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, pwedeng-pwede to up to 6 family. Pwedeng-pwede. 6 member. Bedroom number 2. Yan, nilagyan na ng ano. Pero ito sa turnover, dito kasama yung mga gamit. Syempre, hindi kasama sa model lang siya. Your master's bedroom for Bettina model. Later on, I will show you our sample combination for this one. And this is your second toilet and shower for Bettina model. Your view from the second floor. Bettina model guys guys, talagang spacious po siya. And very affordable. So, let's talk about our updated sample computation, guys, okay? But before that, sa mga hindi po familiar sa area dito sa may San Vicente, Santa Maria, Bulacan, let me give you some idea, okay? This is a very strategic location. Alam mo ba, very wise investment to kung ito man ay titira mo in the future or kung ano man yung plano mo or rental, because this is 15 minutes drive to Philippine Arena exit, NLEX, at malapit doon sa Philippine Arena yung tinatayong future BGC of the North, yung North Wing by Mega World. So, about 20-25 minutes, nandoon ka na. Imagine, BGC of the North. And also, yung future Bulacan International Airport. Tapos, ang location natin nasa gitna, boundary ka pa ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. In 10 minutes, nasa Muzon, San Jose del Monte ka na. And after that, 25 minutes, nasa SM San Jose ka na. Yun po yung Quirino Highway, nandoon yung ginagawa ngayon na MRT-7. So imagine, you are in this location na malapit ka sa mga future national, now actually, ongoing na yung mga national projects na binanggit ko. So yung mga future development na yan, in time, pag natapos yan, just imagine kung gaano pa yung itataas ng value ng property dito sa Bella Vista. Okay? So, our sample computation right now, you can see on the screen. Ayan guys, ha? Diba? Nakita nyo naman guys, for the unit feature, ang laki ng bahay, yung ganyang price, very affordable talaga guys. Imagine ha, naka-promo pa siya, 10% down payment payable in 24 months, 0% interest. Just imagine kung gaano kaliit yan, guys. Bank financing for the balance. So, let's say naman gusto mo magpag-ibig. 20% down payment, 80% pag-ibig. So, pina-flash ko rin siya sa screen. Pero guys, I highly advise kung pag-ibig yung gusto nyo, dapat mas taasan nyo pa yung down payment, okay? Pwede ka rin mag 20% down payment, 80% bank. It's up to you. Basta ang option dito, bank and pag-ibig po, alright? So, yan yun guys. At pinakita ko rin naman sa inyo yung minimum required salary. So, kung pasok ka dyan, pwede solo or combined income, kontakin mo lang ako. Tandaan mo guys, ang dami kong client dito, OFW, locally employed, or private individual, or business owners. Diba guys, nag-invest dito sa Bella Vista. At napaka-affordable niya, magtataas pa. Continuously pa yung kanyang value up, continuous pa yung value appreciation niya. Kasi ngayon, phase 2 tayo. Phase 1, okay? Phase 1, I want to emphasize, sold out. Phase 2, land development, pre-selling. Yun guys, 60 to 70% sold na rin po siya. So, let's go to the next model, yung ating Beatrice model. Beatrice model. Baka itanong niyo yung pinagkaiba ha. Siyempre, magkaiba sila ng kulay, magkaiba sila ng design. Tapos, si Beatrice, di ba may pa-arco, nasa labas yung storage niya. So, ayan, malaki yung storage. So, ayan. Meron din siyempre garden sa harap. Garden! Your spacious carport provision for Beatrice model. And of course, your space from the back na pwede mong i-expand, palagyan ng roof. Ito kasama sa turnover laundry area, kitchen, dirty kitchen. Dito na tayo pumasok. So dito, ito yung magiging kitchen area natin kay Beatrice model. Ayan. At dito yung ating 6-seater dining table. Ayan. At ang pinakaiba niya kay Bettina kasi, pagpasok mo ng main door, kay Beatrice, nandito yung kanyang stairs. Di ba kay Bettina kanina nandun sa kabila? Sa kanya, nandito yung stairs niya. Kasi ito yung magiging living area niya. Yan. At syempre, ang tiles, ganito din yung turnover. 60 by 60 sa baba. At malaki yung ating toilet and shower kay Beatrice. Ayan. Mas lumaki yung ating toilet and shower sa Beatrice model. Let's go to the second floor. Unahin na natin, nandito sa harap yung kanyang balcony. Ayan. Balcony of Beatrice model. Ano mo ng hallway? Pakita ko lang ha. Yan. Hallway ni Beatrice model. 3 kwarto, 2 CR. Ito yung kanyang second toilet and shower. Tingnan nyo guys. And our Beatrice model, bedroom number 1, of course. And bedroom number 2. So guys, ang Beatrice model minimum lot area, ayan po. At saka, meron din tayong 100 square meter lot. At ang kanyang floor area, ayan naman po. So napapansin nyo guys, mas malaki po yung floor area ni Beatrice kumpara kay Bettina. Kaya mas sa price, may konting difference. Master's bedroom! Hello, master's bedroom! Hello, master's bedroom of Beatrice model, diba? So, there you have it, guys. And here, pwede mo i-expand itong balcony na to ha. Pwede mo itong palakihan, harap hanggang gilid. Pwede. Let's talk about Beatrice model sample computation. Okay guys, sample computation ni Beatrice model. Okay, papakita ko na sa screen. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon ang sample computation ni Beatrice model. Ayan, konti lang naman yung difference niya kay Bettina. Kasi nga, mas malaki ng konti yung floor area nito ni Beatrice. So ayan, kita nyo naman, again, 10% promo, down payment, 0% interest, 24 months. Ang baba! Diba guys, no? Very affordable. Kayang-kaya. And then, loanable sa bank yung balance. Kung gusto mo naman ng pag-ibig, ayan, 20% DP. Pero, I advise, kasi para to avoid any loan difference, dapat mas taasan nyo pa sa 20% yung down payment. Pwede ka rin mag 20% down payment, 80% bank. Pero kung pag-ibig talaga yung target mo, just make sure higher than 20% yung gagawin mo. Pero, ayan po siya, guys. Nakikita nyo naman sa screen, o, diba? O, ayan. So, sa sample computation, nandiyan na, nakita nyo na. Kung pasok to sa requirements nyo, nakita nyo naman yung required salary. Kung sa tingin mo, qualified ka, ganito lang naman yun guys. Bigyan ko kayo ng requirements ha. Pag kay pag-ibig, dapat may maganda kang record. Naka 24 months ka ng hulog, di ba? 24 months na contribution, ganyan. At wala kang issue na na-foreclose or nahatak yung dating kinuha mong bahay sa pag-ibig, okay? Kapag wala kang ganun, okay. Kung halimbawa, pero mas mataas na talaga yung down payment. So, I suggest mag-bank ka pa rin. Sa bank naman, kung wala kang issue na credit card na hindi nabayaran in the past, na masyadong malaking utang, ayan, or nahatakan ng sasakyan, kasi pag meron ka nun in the past, tapos hindi mo yun naayos sa bangko, makikita pa rin nila yun. So, possible na hindi ka ma-approve pag ganun. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na wala ka namang mga ganyang issue sa iyong buhay, congratulations, okay? Pwede ka mag-bank, pag-ibig or whatsoever, diba? Depende sa iyong capacity. And of course guys, marami akong clients ito, OFW. For OFW, locally employed or business owners or VAs, freelancers, we need your 2 valid IDs, proof of income, proof of billing, birth or marriage certificate, and syempre TIN number. Napakadali lang po ng ating process dito. A little bit about the reservation process. So, dito po sa Bella Vista, kahit kung busy ka, hindi mo kailangan pumunta dito or magpa-tripping sa akin. Kung gusto mo magpa-tripping sa akin, walang problema. Nakikita nyo naman yung aking, di ba, Viber, WhatsApp number dyan sa screen. Nag-appear lang. Kontakin nyo lang ako, let's talk in Viber and WhatsApp. Schedule tayo at least 1 to 2 days before. Kung magpa-tripping kayo sa akin, walang problema yun, guys. Pero, dito po ay online reservation. So, what does it mean? Send mo sa akin yung ID mo at yung proof of income mo. Pag alam ko na yung salary mo, bibigyan na kita ng go signal. You can go ahead and choose your block and lot sa mapa natin kasi sisendan kita ng mapa, di ba, at inventory para makapili ka. 100% online reservation. Ita-transfer mo direct sa account ni developer which is Dolmar Land Incorporated yung iyong reservation. Hindi po sa akin ha. Ang kailangan mo lang ipasend sa akin yung proof of payment, yung screenshot nun. Yun lang yung kailangan kong malaman. And after that, secure na yung slot sa'yo, hindi na yun makukuha ng iba, sa'yo na yun. At ang gagawin mo na lang, ay ibigay sa akin ang email address mo para yung forms kasi guys, pwede mo yan sagutan through email, okay? Or i-edit or i-print, ganyan. 100% online reservation tayo. Guys, baka naghahanap pa rin kayo ng mga traditional process na medyo hassle, ganyan. Hassle-free po ang process natin dito sa Dolmar Land, sa Bella Vista. Kaya you have nothing to worry about. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, parang 50% ng mga clients ko na nakapag-reserve sa akin dito kasi nga karamihan OFW. Alam mo ba, never nilang nakita pa itong property. Nung nagbakasyon sila sa Pilipinas, saka lang nila binisita, kinontak nila ako, okay, nandito ako sa Pinas, let's check out the property. Alright, go ahead. Kasi dito naman guys, every month is direct naman sa account ni developer na kukuha mo rin yung invoice mo, statement of account mo, o receipt mo, tuwing nagbabayad ka. So, ganun po siya guys. Kaya sigurado ka kasi tayo ay direct kay developer lamang, and I also advise as a realtor, only pay direct to the developer's account, not to anyone, okay? For your own safety na rin po yan. Alright guys? So all you need to do is to contact me directly. Ayan, di ba? Again, my name is Nicole, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi po kayong updated sa mga updates ko sa mga gandang projects dito sa area ng Bulacan na abot kaya pero quality yung gawa, malaki yung bahay para sa iyong growing family, right? So what are you waiting for, guys? I hope to see you all soon. Thank you!